You people save the energy. It means what energy? Brain's energy, and store the habits. Anybody can store the habit, and anybody can save the brain's energy. It means even brain also itself saves the energy, even brain. But you need to find out how you can save the brain's energy. There was a one girl, I would love to tell you. Uh, there was the one girl, Lisa, Ellen Lisa, yes. What happened? I'm telling the true story. It's a true. She was just caught by the researchers because all the researchers were just really keen, interested in her real life because her real life completely was changed. This time she is the marathon runner. Her body is completely toned, body parts, it means legs and all. How? Though she was earlier completely drunkard, chain smoker. So how she changed everything in her life, how she became this much energetic and active, active. And the great thing was that how she became out of going through the bad life which she had earlier. So 3 months ago, it was not with her. Her husband came by the evening. He asked that Alan Lisa that he wants to divorce. He wants to live separately. He wants to get married with another girl. And she got completely flabbergasted after listening to her husband. Because you know very well condition what was that she was completely jobless. She was not getting the job. Every month she was being kicked out of the company, and her body was completely out of her shape, and nobody was liking her. And when she heard that her husband is leaving her, so 100% she started drinking and smoking very badly. At last, by the night, once what happened, she went outside somewhere and lived in hotel. In the night, there was one Ajan was going on by the night, 2 o'clock. She got up. There was a completely dark. Her mind just wanted to have the cigarette. So she just lit the cigarette and started puffing, but it was not the cigarette. It was the pan which she burnt. Then she got to know what the heck she was doing. She made in her mind that she would not do next time. She decided to leave the cigarette. She went her just desired place because she was on the rent, means already she took the $10,000 loan. She was completely in debt, but she decided something, and after 3 years she was in that position where nobody thought of she would be. And how she decided, what came in her mind after being drunkard, after being chain smoker, she completely left all the things and she became this much active lady. So this is the story of that girl. She made one motive. उसने अपने दिमाग में मकसद डाल दिया. उसका मकसद था कि वो अपने ड्रीम प्लेस पे जाएगी. उसका मकसद था कि वो अपना वजन कम करेगी. उसका मकसद था कि वो एक्टिव हो जाएगी. ये सारी चीजें उसने कैसे करी? तो उसने अपने मोटिव को, शी फाउंड हर मोटिव. She first found that she was to lose the weight. उसको अपना वजन कम करना था. Are you getting? And when you find your motive, जब आप अपना मकसद ढूंढ लेते हैं, so you are hell-bent after your motive, or your motive lets you do or makes you do lots of tasks. आपका motive, आपका मकसद आपको बहुत कुछ करने देता है. Most of the people leave it, but those people who find the motive, they never leave it. So जब आपको आपका मकसद पता पड़ जाता है ना, when you know your motive, जैसे Alyssa found her motive. And when she found her motive, so what her motive made her do? First, motive gave her direction. It happens when you find your मकसद. जब आप अपना मकसद ढूंढ लेते हैं, तो आपका मोटिव आपको क्लियर नजर आता है. आपका मोटिव आपको सब कुछ क्लियर दिखाता है, आपको राइट डायरेक्शन पे लेके जाता है. तो उसने पहले डिसाइड क्या किया? She was to leave this cigarette and she left. And then, second, keeps your promises. Motive आपको हमेशा आपके promises पे कायम रखता है. You stick to your promises. Second, उसका क्या promise था? That I will do the exercise because I have left the that smoking and all. I will make my body toned and I will go for the especially for the marathon and all. And her motive made her do these all things. Third, ये आइडिया बड़ा क्रेजी लगता है. इट सीम्स टू बी क्रेजी कि यार ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, बट इट इज डन. It was done with her. She did it. Her motive made her do. She made her body completely perfect because she found the motive. If you find your motive, वहां पे misprint में you लिखा हुआ है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But when you find your motive, you know what happens? People call you crazy, but it's okay. What's the problem if somebody calls you crazy? What's the problem when just you are able to keep the promises? Let others think what they think of you, but you have to find your motive. You have to understand, okay, this is the motive which I'm just going for. I'm running after my motive, and you can do it when you understand this is the real thing of my motive. This is the motive. आपका मकसद क्या है? उस लड़की ने अपना मकसद ढूंढा. She made herself better and she did it. It can be done. It can be done in every sector when you understand your motive. It seems to be crazy. आपको लोग पागल भी कहते हैं, but you do it. And fourth, motive challenges you. As I challenge you sometimes, in meanwhile, I just ask you lots of questions and you do it. You make it possible. So this all happens. Why? Because I challenge you. Challenging does not mean that I'm insulting you. Challenging it means I'm asking you to complete this task because these tasks I have done. Why can't you do it? You also can do it. Challenging somebody, it means you are making somebody's mind in different zone. You're putting somebody's mind in different zone. And person can do it with this. So this is the motive which everybody needs to find. So find your motive because your motive gives you direction. As Elisa got the direction, it keeps your promises. As Elisa stuck to her promises, it seems to be crazy. As Elisa seems to be crazy because she was running after her motive, and it challenges you. And Elisa was challenged by her motive. She challenged herself. You know, when you challenge yourself, what happens? When you challenge yourself, you have to do lots of tasks, but you have to concentrate on one task. When you challenge yourself, I'm giving you a practical example because when people do not listen to you, you get irritated. It happens. Sometimes when ideas which do not run, we get irritated. But in your success, there's a failure. Without failing, you cannot succeed. It does not mean that you have to fail. It means you have to come up with lots of ideas, but you have to concentrate on one idea. If you completely work on one idea, first idea, and you bring all the energy in that one idea, 100%, you will succeed. In beginning, 100%, it can be done, or it may be done. You may fail, but you will again stand up. You'll cultivate the habits of completely doing something different. And people understand, yes, I'm doing something. If you are doing something different, people will appreciate your efforts. And your efforts must be awarded, not result. Because those people who do the tasks, they believe in their efforts. If you believe in your result, nothing will happen. But if you start believing in your efforts, they would be awarded by the people. But most of the people in this planet, what happens? Most of the results are awarded, not efforts. So those people who bring the results, they know how efforts value them. And those people who do not believe in their efforts, there's no result. So you have to understand how motive challenges you. You have to challenge yourself every time. You make something different which scares you. डर होना चाहिए. आप ऐसा रिस्क लो जो आपको थोड़ा डराए. आपको जब भी कोई भी काम करना हो और आपको उससे डर लग रहा है, 100% वो काम सही है, आप करो. हो सकता है लॉस हो, बट ज्यादा नहीं. Calculate your risk. आप समझो. So what will you get when you find your motive? The moment you find your motive, what would you get? इस पे हम वर्क कर लेते हैं. What will you get when you find your motive? You will become the punctual. You will get the punctuality. Because as Elisa kept getting up at dawn, doing the exercises, are you getting? Making her body toned. It happened just because of the punctuality. She got the punctuality. She became punctual. So what happens when you find your motive? आज मुझे आपको पढ़ाना था. It was my target. I decided. I got up early. Though I went to bed at 12 o'clock today. Even I was a bit pooped out. थोड़ा बहुत थका हुआ भी था. But I made it. Because my motive will not let me sleep. और वैसे भी बोला जाता है dreams should be like this which should not let you sleep. But ठीक है. वो तो already आप लोगों ने सुन रखा है. But I'm talking about the motive. आपका मकसद क्या है? If you are getting up, what will you get out of getting up? अब ये check करो. So when I get up at dawn, I feel that yes, I will learn this today. I will study. Today I went through NLP course. I went through my international course program which is going on, and then I just went through your PD session. So what will I get whenever I am doing something? So I think, what would I get out of it, and why am I doing? I ask that question which is well crafted, and it gets me the good answer. Half answer is done when my question is well crafted. तो आपको आपका मकसद ढूंढना पड़ेगा. आपका मकसद आपको डायरेक्शन देगा. आपका मकसद आपको promises पे लगाए रखेगा. You will stick to your promises. You will not step back. Try to understand. You will not flout the rules when you are sticking to your promises. It seems to be crazy. Even people will call you crazy, but it's okay. Do it. It's completely okay to be called crazy if you are really sticking to your promises.